All right, we're gonna attempt a design on the fly here with my new treasure box from Potomac Beads. See what we come up with here. Let's see. Let's see what we've got in here. These glass beads are really cool. See those stripes and stuff? How cool is that? Very fun. Got some fun spiky beads. Oh, look at this pretty AB. Got these fun, this simple little disc beads. Oh, this is a pretty one. Look at those colors. So pretty. I only got one of these flowers, but a fun one. Maybe we can come up with a pendant. That's an idea. Let's see what we've got here. We've got this flower bead. This is a unique one. Look at that. Yes, no, maybe so. Something smaller here. This comes from that bead mix too. Ooh, look at that. We can put a little seed bead into it. What do you think? Oops. Ha! They went everywhere, didn't they? Make a little flower out of it. Now, oh, we can add some of those leaves they gave us. We got some of these leaves. This will be fun. Okay. Do like 2 leaves maybe. It's a simple little. Let's see. Look if there's anything else in this fun mix. These are fun too. I like the brown on the edges. Oh, there's another little white flower we could add in. So we'll need another seed bead. Let's see if there's a little tiny bead that we can add to it. There we go. Do that. That would work. Is there a different? I think this is going to call for some wire. All right, let me get some wire and I'll be right back. So some 22 gauge antique copper here, I think would be fun to make something with this. Let's see. I don't know how much I'll need, so we'll just kind of guess at it. Need some cutting tools. I can reach it without knocking everything down. There we go. Okay, let's see what we come up with. Hopefully I didn't move. Oops, my thing was a little out of whack there. There we go. I think what we'll do is we'll kind of build onto it like this. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we can take this and I think make it look, I want to make a kind of a, you know what, let's take the beads off and go back. I'm going to make kind of like a knot in it. Let's see if I can do this. My friend does this all the time, but I don't know if I can. Maybe. Not quite. Oh, it was a valiant effort. Okay, let's try that again. That's what design on the fly is all about, right? So, and I'm using 22 gauge, so it's very malleable. I think it has something to do with, you know, you want to pull it through and kind of, I don't know. Maybe. There we go. Looks kind of cool, right? Sure. Oh boy. Silly me. Sure. What do you think? Maybe? We'll give it a try. See what happens here. All right, so that means we need to put the seed, we got to put them on backwards. Seed bead first, and then the flat piece. All right. And now this piece. Looks kind of cool. What do you think? So let's kind of, I don't know, build off of it, right? This is going to be an interesting experiment here. I wanted that closer to the bead. I don't do a lot of wire work because I have arthritis in my hands, so this is definitely more of an experiment. We'll do that. Let's see what I can come up with, and we'll add in one of our leaves here. Right? That's what DIYs are all about, aren't they? All about doing some kind of experiment. Ooh, we'll wrap it around like that this time. Maybe push up through there. Yes, 22 gauge is malleable, but you know, you don't want to overbend either. Oh, I hear them. Daughter's out with her friends. They're coming home now. There they are. All right, then we have our little flower. And we will put this little bead on. So just maybe a 2 or 3 millimeter bicone. Okay. And then one of our slate seed beads, and I'll be back. See, I'm gonna do something fancy here too. Maybe with the little bit of wire we have left. I think I'm gonna have to add a piece or forgo the other leaf. I don't know. But it says a double tool, which is really nice. See me attempting to make this unique, because it totally is. I don't want that to poke anybody. Definitely different. Not quite sure what I'm doing, but let's get a little more wire. Don't need a lot, just a little. Remember, always point your wire away from you. Let's see, we should probably try and find a way to hook this in. I'm downstairs and you can hear the floor squeaking above me in my daughter's room. This week is their spring break, so she had gone to the cafe with her friends. Now they're back. Squeaking my floor. Let's trim that little piece. Use the side that, nope, this side. Gets it really close. And we can do this leaf similar, where we do a, I don't know, just wrap around it like we did the other one. This time I'll do a wrap down here. Maybe it'll hold better. And then come up. I needed just a little more wire, but so now I need to figure out how this is gonna hang and stuff. I like that little attachment there. I've done this leaf a little different, but that's okay. I can turn this flower out. A little more wire. A little more to go. Oops. I'll get that later. Like I said, always cut away from yourself. We got a dangly leaf. We got some flowers going on here. And we'll find a spot to kind of go through. How about we can hang it from here, maybe? No, I don't like that spot. Can go from this flower again. Still want that leaf to dangle, so I'll come over on this side, make another wrapped loop, like I did. Literally designing on the fly here, just like it's called, design on the fly. So playing with what we've got. Wrapping that loop. Trim off that little piece. Want it to dangle kind of like this. So I'm just gonna rewrap it around itself right there. And they're playing with the dog. I'm making doggy noises up there. And then we'll just trim that excess off. And there we go, very unique. Oof. Design on the fly. Let's bring this flower up a little. Maybe we'll dangle the leaf. I don't know. However it falls, right? There we have it, folks. Our little design on the fly. Have a good one.